Recently, I found a new pair of Adidas Superstars on their official website and instantly fell in love. So I already cut open the box. Let's take them out and check them out. If you know me, you will know instantly why I love these. This is a pair of, well, let's get them both out. We don't want to just look at one of them. Oh, damn. I am excited right now, you guys. Okay, so this is a pair of Adidas Superstars. They are the Pro model, and as you can see, they are super glossy and shiny, baby, just the way I like it. I was gonna say, if you know me, you'll know that I really like patent leather shoes, shiny, plasticky looking shoes. I think they are the coolest. And so yeah, let's talk a bit about these. Well, first of all, let me just take it in. Let me just check them out. Ooh, damn, these are so cool. They're a collaboration between Adidas and the brand Always Do What You Should Do. I think that company is, my notes just got knocked off the table, so let me see if I can remember everything I wanted to say. So, yeah, like I said, they're a skateboarder / surfing brand of clothing. Really cool. I like them a lot. I actually am just learning about Always Do What You Should Do. I think they usually abbreviate it to just being like Always. So these sneakers are the Pro model of the Superstar. They have a black patent leather upper, and they have, as you could probably tell, this really cool, striking green neon stripe design. The stripes are green neon leather. The back is green neon, and the inside has like a green neon material in there. So that just really stands out from the glossy black. We've also got some pretty cool, I like it a lot actually. We've got navy blue, thinner laces going on there, and the bottom sole is also navy blue on these bad boys as well. You can also tell, like on the bottom, there's even a little strip of the navy blue that you can see from the sides as well. On the back, we have this little @ symbol going down the spine of the shoe. And then I think one of my favorite things about these sneakers is the tongue. Ooh, the tongue is a little squeaky. It's like a puffier tongue. I really also like the logo from this company. This little Always @ logo. It reminds me of a couple things. First of all, it reminds me of the health meter in Super Mario Sunshine. That little like summery sunshine looking design. It looks a lot like that. And then it also reminds me of the little @ symbol for my favorite shoes of all time, the Airwalk Gym Plastics. They have that little A symbol on the side. And so it kind of gives off that vibe as well, which I'm a huge fan of. Those are my favorite shoes, like I said. So these are good. Oh, it also has the Always logo embedded on the side of the sneaker there. Usually I think that says Superstar in a typical pair of Superstars. So, I mean, come on. These are just so cool, sexy, handsome. They have definite like skateboarder, surfer vibes, and they're right up my alley. By the way, I don't know this for certain, but I'm 99% sure. I think this is the first pair of all patent leather Adidas Superstar Pro model shoes. I've never seen the high gloss, plasticky, patent leather Superstars in the high top model. I don't know. I've never seen that. And I'm a little bit of a historian when it comes to the Adidas Superstar. So I think these might be breaking new ground. Now I want even more of the patent leather high tops for the Superstar. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these. These came out last month in May, so they're still relatively fresh, relatively new. You can still find these on a lot of websites, adidas.com, and the official website for Always Do What You Should Do has them available. They've got like some matching clothing that go with these that is really neat. I actually have to buy some clothing off their website as well. I am buying, if you know me, this should come as no surprise, but I am buying a second and I think third pair of these now. I'm going to go back online and buy like 2 more pairs. I like to have backup. I like to have museum pairs. This will be the pair that I wear. Cannot wait to wear these. These are a good summer shoe. They just kind of got, like the summer sunshine, making the glossiness shine. I like the bright neon color. Reminds me of the 90s. These have major 1990s vibes, right? Just really, really cool. They came with another pair of laces. So these laces, I don't think I'm going to go with, but they say they have like the slogan, Always Do What You Should Do, going across the laces. I don't really want these. I actually like the navy blue thinner laces on these. This is the 3rd sneaker collab with the Always company and Adidas. What were the other 2? I gotta look into it. I don't know off the top of my head. Something tells me these are probably the coolest ones. I wear a size 9.5. These are 9.5. They're just like typical sizing for the Superstar. So if that, you know, they're true to size, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So cool. I love them so much. These are right up my alley. All right, let's go try them on.